What happens when a mountain suddenly roars and a wall of snow rushes down toward a child and puppy exploring? Avalanches begin when heavy snow layers weaken and slide, like the 2014 Mount Everest avalanche triggered by shifting ice. Scientists study snowpack weight, temperature shifts, and vibrations because even a jumping goat can trigger dangerous snow slides. What happens when the sky turns white, wind screams loudly, and a fox cannot see its den anymore? Blizzards form when cold air meets moist air and strong winds, like the Great Blizzard freezing New York. Whether scientists track wind speed and snowfall to warn families, pets, and travelers before blizzards trap them outside. But sometimes rain freezes instantly, turning forests into glittering ice worlds and trapping birds on branches. Ice storms happen when warm air sits above freezing air, causing rain to freeze on contact. Heavy ice can break trees and power lines, like the 1998 ice storm that darkened entire cities. What happens when frozen rivers burst from melting glaciers and water races toward villages below? These are glacial outburst floods caused by trapped meltwater pressure suddenly breaking ice dams. Satellites and drones watch glaciers carefully, helping scientists predict floods and protect animals in nearby towns. Sometimes lightning flashes during snowfall, creating rare thunder snowstorms that startle owls and excite curious children. Thunder snow forms when strong upward air currents create storm clouds even in freezing winter conditions. Even frozen ground can explode with loud cracks when underground water freezes and expands rapidly. These frostquakes happen because ice expands underground, pushing soil and rock apart suddenly. What happens when Arctic winds escape south and freeze lakes, cities, and playgrounds overnight? This polar vortex shift happens when jet stream weakens, letting extreme cold air move south. Learning about snow disasters helps scientists protect wildlife, design stronger homes, and keep children safe. Snow and ice look magical, but understanding their science turns danger into adventure and smart survival. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you